Now I'm going to be making this thing go right. Okay, put it there. Carolina from Brazil, and this one is Cadet from South Africa. Which one is the best? Let's spend a day in the house in Brazil. Yeah, if you're new on this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Today I'm gonna spend the day with you guys, yeah, in the house. Follow me. I just get the bath now, and then you can see I'm fresh. I just get some bath. But the funny thing in Brazil is that, guys, let me show you something. Let me flash it here. You can flash it here. But when you clean yourself with the toilet paper, you don't put the toilet paper here. Okay? You take it, and then you're gonna see a lot of bucket next to the toilet. So you take that toilet paper, after you clean yourself, you put the toilet paper inside here. Okay? In South Africa, we usually put the toilet paper here. But here in Brazil, you don't put, after cleaning yourself, you don't put the toilet paper here. You don't put this toilet paper here after cleaning yourself, okay? You take that toilet paper, which is already dirty by your poo, you put it here. Guys, when you don't have a wife, you must make a plan. Just like this. This is the soap, guys. This is the soap. Yeah, this is the soap. If there's no wife, you have to do it. Huh? I have to do it, guys. Guys, this is my food. Can you believe? That's what I'm going to eat now. This is a Brazilian noodle. I just want to tell you that Brazilian noodle, this one costs actually 5 real. 5 reals. Meaning that if you convert this 5 real to rand, this will be 15 rand. Can you believe this is a food of 15 rand? One noodle here in Brazil is actually 15 rand. Done. And then I put this up. Very interesting. Wishing you good morning from São Paulo in Brazil. Yeah, I'm actually in my own suburb here in Brazil, where actually I live. So, as you can see, I was on my way buying some juice and bread. At this place, the tap water, we don't usually drink the tap water. Tap water is only used for cooking, used for other things, but to drink, you have to get the still water, okay? You need to buy the still water so that you can drink. If you're new here, guys, please do comment below, share the video, like the video. I'm actually talking to you from São Paulo in Brazil. We are actually very far from main town of São Paulo, so this is not a main city. We are actually in the residential area, so you could not see the tallest building. But tomorrow I'll be going to main town. I will be taking you guys tomorrow to the central of São Paulo. Yeah, I think it's much better than here, because here we are in the residential area. Early in the morning I went to buy some bread so that I can make my coffee. You know, I want to make some coffee, guys. Just as you can see in front of me, that is my apartment there, up there. So that's where I'm going. I just went to the shop close by so that I can get the bread and the juice. Believe me, guys, there's too much beautiful women here. Oh, beautiful women, guys. Yeah, I'm going to cross here. Going to cross. The bike like this is here for delivery. They come and deliver food. I noticed that they really don't cook much here in this place. They actually live from takeaway every day. Takeaway. They are the master on takeaway, guys. They really do some takeaway. It's raining. It's raining. So the way we celebrate Christmas, did we celebrate also our own birthday? I think there's a problem if you don't celebrate your own birthday. Guys, let me show you something. This one is Carolina. Carolina from Brazil. And this one is Cadet from South Africa. Which one is the best? If you know about Carolina, if you know about this wine, and this wine, South African wine and Brazilian wine. If you have tested the two, if you have already tested the two wine, which one is the best for you guys? Which one is the best? 13.5% of alcohol, and this one is 14% of alcohol. So this one is more heavy than this one. South African wine, Brazilian wine. Which one do you prefer, guys? Okay, which one do you want me to open between these two? Which one do you want me to open now? Because I need to drink something now. When you take a bottle for the wine, most of cases, when this place is more deep, it's showing you that the bottle of this wine is the quality. If it's more deep, it can show you that this wine is good. So when you take a wine, check this. If it's deep inside, you put your finger there. You see if it's deep inside, because you have to hold it like this to serve somebody, right? You have to hold it like this. You put your finger there to hold it like this and serve easily. But if you cannot hold it by putting your finger here, meaning this wine may not be the good wine. So if my finger is fitting in like this, tell you that this is a good wine. It's a classic wine for good people. So you can hold it like this and just put your wine here. Okay? Look, this is South African wine. I can hold it like this. Let's see if Brazilian wine is the same. You see? There's a hole there. So this is large. It's large, but it's not deep like this one. Okay? So Brazilian wine here is not that deep. It can easily fall, but you can still hold it. It's also a classic wine, and you can serve. Okay? Right. So I think I still prefer my South African wine, guys. The South African wine, I think I still prefer it. So let's do this. Let's do this. Even if let's do this. Guys, look, I'm going to open it, okay, so that we can test it. Cut it, South African wine. There's a wine here, guys. Yeah, like I said, guys, remember I said you can hold it like this. We're going to drink just like this. And then we can do this. And then we can do that. Welcome to Brazil. Welcome to Brazil. South African wine. This one is for tomorrow. Have a day in the house in this apartment of mine from Brazil. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I still have a huge content to show you guys. Come and join me here. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Come and join me, guys. Guys, come and join me. We got some fun here there. Guys, let me tell you something about Brazil. This country will welcome you. This country will welcome you. Believe me. Can you imagine in Brazil, your child can go to school for free? Yeah, the public school for free. University even for free in Brazil. Do you know the hospital is here for free? Free of charge. You go to the hospital. Do you know even if you don't have money, if you're not working, the government still give you money? Brazil? São Paulo. São Paulo. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? This is what I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat this today, man. Alone, man. You need to. Today, not minute noodle again, not minute noodle. This one I'm going to be eating alone. Just put it now. I'm going to be making this thing go right.